A tweet from Elon Musk's account coming out right now referring to the SEC as the Short Seller Enrichment Commission, and Musk's Twitter saying they're doing incredible work and the name change is so on point. No surprise, the stock down about 3% after hours. The SEC declined to comment to CNBC. No word yet back from Tesla about whether or not this is truly his tweet. Did he get hacked? Or who knows what exactly the story is here. But for now, this is on his Twitter account referring to the SEC as the Short Seller Enrichment Commission. Back to you guys.
Eric, thank you very much for that. I mean, Mike, bold or foolish?
Cavalier, both probably. Now, one of the reasons the stock might be down, remember, this settlement needs to be approved by a judge. The judge asked both parties to submit documents to justify why this is a fair settlement that he just entered into and agreed to with the SEC. So right now, the settlement isn't in force. And so maybe people are saying, look, maybe this sort of is going to reflect upon the ultimate outcome of whether this settlement goes through. Or I guess it means that right now his tweets aren't being vetted, right? If, in fact, the terms of the settlement are not in place.
But, Mike, I mean, clearly that's the big short-term risk, whether or not the settlement could go away and the stock's trading down. What about the medium to long term? Because a lot of people saying this whole issue made Musk realize he'd crossed a line and he was going to act more appropriately going forward. Clearly, that's not the case.
Yeah, so will he truly, in the spirit of this settlement, back away, of course, no longer be chairman, but also kind of cede a little bit of authority or voice to the two new independent directors that are supposed to come in? Yeah, that's a huge question. It doesn't seem like it's a new Elon Musk.
Phil LeBeau had made that point about how an email was sent out and then Tesla followed up by actually filing an 8K. So it seemed like there was a step forward. But
it does seem,
I guess it's supposed to be a joke. I
like
don't know if SEC's laughing.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it's meant to be a joke. And to be fair, it's kind of witty, the words he's picked out that SEC stands for. But
No doubt
the other point, it does sound like, Mike, this has not been vetted yet.
Right.
If he is already in the vetting period, I'd love to see what the unvetted version was.
Right. Yeah,
But
it's the raw feed we want to see.
The key point is that the stock is down after hours around about 2.5%.